All right, here's what we got, boys. Get on there. Of course, there's no freaking shop lights over here. All right, so just gotta stand here and prepare myself for a second. Fuck. All right. So, got a case 1845C here, and as you might have guessed, I don't know a damn thing about this. Like, nothing. All right. Okay. Ugh. So, these things, these quick attach, kind of whatever bars, I don't know what they're called. These things frozen shut, right? These things like just the worst. Yeah. All right, here's what we got. These bad boys right here, they're completely frozen shut when I got this thing. 100%. It's just been so I need this bucket to come off. He left this thing outside. You know, she's an outside dog, all right? Not anymore, clearly, but, you know, this wasn't here then. So, these things have been completely rusted shut. Right, you know, right there, I think. Like, down here, it's not really such a big deal, but in this block, she's 100% rusted. So, I watched some of that, I don't know how to say it. AVE, I don't know, I love your shit, and of course Project Farm, because I needed that penetrant, right? I don't know, there's no other way to get in there except for that grease nipple, and I didn't even know what that shit was till like, I don't know, a year ago or something. But even then, all the grease just pours out the bottom, and you know, it didn't do anything. So, you know, I'm watching you guys, and I feel like the way to go here is you know, I got a little sea foam and sprayed it in there, hoping for the penetration to work. There you can see a little grease. It's fresh from me wiping that off, but this is still, it's I got this one just a little while ago, and it's just sea foam and heat. You know, I just loaded her up with heat. Right there. Sprayed some sea foam, make sure she was greased up. And I beat the shit out of it with this thing. I don't know, what's this thing called? Oh, I don't know. Rust? Mud? What is this? What is that? Is that mud? Is that rust? I don't know. Feels like mud. Feels like rust. Well, I mean, I sprayed the fuck out of it with some WD-40 there for a long time. But, you know, that didn't do anything. So, I'm going to get some shop towels. I'm going to clean this up. And I guess I'm going to start beating the shit out of this one. Get in there. Hold on. Yeah. See? Oh, stinks. I think for the best shot, crawl into the bite here. I'm not a huge fan of this, but you know, hey. Sometimes, like that other one's locked, right? Is this dangerous? Yee! I hope you guys can see what's going on here. So, I really just heated this sumbitch up. The history around this thing, though, I took it to a case dealer a couple of years ago. I ended up finding, let's see if I can just rest it here and be lazy. Yeah, took it to a case dealer, and they were gonna charge me like $1,500, $2,000 to get this bucket off. And I said no. Nah, I think I said, fuck that. So, you know, now I'm paying for that sin, right? So I'm trying to figure out how to do it on my own. And I don't know what I'm doing. So, I don't know. She doesn't ever get cherry, of course. I'm pretty sure that this little propane torch that I've used for some plumbing stuff, I'm pretty sure it doesn't have the what AVE would call the chooch factor to get this thing, you know, warm. But she burned off all that sea foam. Oh, for sure. I saw her bubbling out the end there. At first, my brain said, hey, she's gonna get so hot that it's gonna get stuck in there worse, you know? Like what's the rules about something like that? I don't know. I guess heating it up to red hot would probably be bad, right? What if it bonds on the inside? I don't know. Get it worked off, I guess, fast. I don't know how the hell that works. It's probably stupid. All right, I think she may be ready for me to give her another spray down with that sea foam. Okay. Right? Like you want to like get in there. Right? It's like a... Really melting off pretty fast. I'm scared about touching this little tip. Alright. I want to make sure she's still stuck on there pretty good. Alright? I'm going to make sure she's unlocked. I'll move her around to this side and then give her some taps. Oh, she is a-coming. Ow, my ears. Oh. All right, should I get some hearing protection? Huh? Ow. Nope, ears are gonna be ringing tonight. Okay. So, oh, yeah, see? Yeah, freed her up. She's still hot. Yeah, the $2,000. Yeah, right. And then, of course, all kinds of nasty shit up under here. For sure. All right, maybe a little bit more lubricant. What do you say? Just to protect it? I don't know. Yeah, up in there. Just a little bit more, huh? Why not? God, this is worth its weight in gold. Found this in my dad's plumbing stuff. I mean, I've used it, but I didn't realize how handy this would come in. Thing's hot. Yeah. Ugh, stinky. Ugh, real stinky. Yeah. Yeah. She on there? Open? Oh. Closed. Yep. Oh, look at that. Okay. Look at the color of that grease coming out of there. Yeah. Oh, you know, look at it. Yeah. Okay. Now she's starting to go green here. Get the Lucas. Yeah. Yeah, see? That off of there maybe. This is gonna help, right? Huh? There. She's the heavy duty version of that red and tacky. that Project Farm had on there. I don't know if this is the standard thing. What would you use it in one of these beasts? I don't know. This seemed like multi-purpose. It seemed wrong to me. Well, it has a tractor on it. Do I go by the pictures? Are those for idiots? All right, okay. So I just creep this up just a little bit more. Oh no, am I using too much? Is this right? Will this help it? You know, it feels like it'll help it. Oh, is that still hot? Yeah, it's not, thank God it's not too hot, or it's burning the nerve endings, I'm not sure. Oh, I'm getting some great, uh-oh. Yeah, so I'm not gonna take both of those off because I'm pretty sure this would fuck my feet up. You know, I'm not wearing steel toes either. Is this? I suppose that's a concern. Maybe this is a little concern too. Huh? We'll just kind of give it that just in case that bad boy is kind of rusted shit. Yeah. I don't really know what else to do. So, hopped on the YouTubes and, you know, I'm not going to spend that high dollar stuff for the, whatever that K brand is. Grolsch? I don't know. Krolik? But the Seafoam, I don't know if it was the heat or the Seafoam. Honestly, I kind of want to say it's the heat. But, you know, I spent like 4 minutes on that pin. And then I, of course, just tilted the bucket up, you know, and just had her kind of stay there. I had to get in the bite a little bit, but, you know, just gave it the old tap from the bottom, make sure that the arms weren't locked, and it seemed to work. I don't know if this is like the way you would do it in the shop or what, but, you know, it seemed to do it. So, I guess in short, Seafoam, deep creep, quick action, not bad, I guess. And then of course just the old torch on it for 4 or 5 minutes, and some grease. I'm using that Lucas green grease, heavy duty. And as for Project Farm and AVE, you guys are lifesavers, because I don't know what I'm doing and you clearly do. I love ya. You're the best. All right. If I did something stupid during this and you want to, you know, have me not kill myself later, you know, comments. Because I may have almost done something stupid here and I don't even know. I just have some shit that I use to beat on these things after I put grease on them. All right? All right. Thanks, guys. You're the best. Hell, if I learned one thing today, it's don't climb into that son of a bitch until you know she's gonna start. Oh, there's some corrosion on here, I suppose. Not enough, I would think. I gotta tell if that's on right or not. All right. See what we got.